Hello, welcome to ELA 9 Distance Learning. This is a YouTube lesson series on argumentative essay writing with me, Mr. Smith. I just want to take the opportunity to hide that, but also introduce you guys to what will hopefully be a very interesting and very engaging home-based learning experience for you guys relating to the argumentative essay that you guys are going to complete, and will also support you through your learning process. So what you see on the right side of the page is the video series schedule. This here is my first video, which is video number 1, an introductory video lesson, where I'm just going to talk about the series, what you can expect, and how it will go. So video number 1 here is this introduction where we're going to learn about all the videos that are going to take place. I'm going to walk you through the packet step by step, and I don't want to say day by day because I'd like to try to get as many of these videos up as soon as possible. That's why I originally had this as 1 per day, but I'd rather get more up earlier on, so that way if you want to get a little bit ahead in your packet or you want to get a little bit ahead in your argumentative essay, then you can do so. So what you see coming up for the next video is the overview of the assignment, and then the overview of the rubric, how it's going to be scored. Then we'll get into what thesis writing looks like, and then how you can construct a strong thesis and why a strong thesis is important. Again, I'm on the right side of the page here, over right here. Organization, actually we'll highlight this. Organization is going to be the next thing, looking at graphic organizers and the outlines that are provided in the documents. We'll talk about how to write a really strong introduction and a really strong conclusion, some templates and some samples that are not provided in the packet that I can kind of go over with you relating to the assignment. Body paragraphs, what a traditional body paragraph looks like for this assignment. The counter argument, which is going to be a new thing for us, what and how we would write a strong counter argument, and also again some samples which have been included, but I also want to talk about how we do that. Then put it all together to construct, using your graphic organizer, your outline, and your research, the basics of a rough draft. And that's one thing that is going to be within this, the idea of research. So you'll see research kind of covered in the assignment overview in video number 2 is research writing, because that's also in your packet. Revision of the rough draft, which is part of your grade, and then turning that into your final draft, how you edit that final draft, and then the final checklist that you'll complete to make sure that you've done everything that you need to do to submit when we come back, or to submit online. If you choose to submit online, I had submitted this to some people, but I went through, I believe yesterday, and gave people the option to use a platform called Castle Learning. Castle Learning will be gone over in the assignment overview. If you choose to do that, I'll show you the process, but it's not required. Again, if you choose to do this just by pen and paper, you will have no problem doing that. Please, anyone, if you have any questions, reach me by email. You can reach me through the app Talking Points. You can reach me at school. I'll be in school through office hours. I don't know what the capacity is for that, but there's packets in school if people didn't get any packets. I just want to make sure that people have access. If there's people that that don't have access, please reach out to them and have them reach out to me. But I want to make sure that everybody has as good of a chance as possible to complete this assignment. I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.